A slider crank mechanism is used to convert a rotational motion into a reciprocating motion, and vice versa. This mechanism is composed of 3 important parts: the crank, which is a rotating disc; the slider, which slides on a fixed plane; and the connecting rod, which joins the crank and the slider. This mechanism is a kinematic inversion of a 4-bar chain, with 1 sliding pair and 3 turning pairs. The total distance covered by the slider between its 2 extreme positions is called the path length. This distance will be equal to double times the length of the crank when the axis of crank and slider are in same line. Some common applications of slider crank mechanism are reciprocating engines, hand pump, Whitworth quick return mechanism, rotary engine, slotted crank mechanism, oscillatory engine, bull engine, reciprocating compressor.